Shakeout running style. Locked in, locked out, let's go. How many nervous ways you had? I've had 2 nervous boos. And we're off. Come on, Prague, let's go. This is what it's all about. Nice weather, nice vibe. But running over a bridge is so satisfying. Superman's here outside of me. Oh shit. Nearly fell over a fucking curb. It's proper serious then. A little bit quiet like. 13k in. Enjoying this. Nice and steady. Woo! Street child on the run again. 400 metres to go. And you get kicked out of your hotel in 20 minutes. Yes. 2 down, 4 to go. That's what we come for. Yes.